Good morning, Year 2. In art this week, you're going to be creating a sun and moon picture just like this as part of your Earth and Beyond topic. Now, to do this, we need to follow 2 steps. Step 1 is to draw the outline of the face and to position the features, just like we've been learning to do whilst making our self-portraits. Step 2 is to use the painting techniques that you've learnt to paint the picture. So we're going to start off with step 1, which is drawing the outline and adding the features in the correct position. Okay, and to do this, you need an A4 piece of paper, a pot to draw around, and a black pen. Okay, and you start by taking your pot, putting it in the centre of the piece of paper and drawing around the pot. And so you need to hold the pot still as you do that and draw right around the pot. Okay, so there's the shape of my sun and moon. Now you're going to draw a line down the centre to split off the sun and the moon section. So I want it to be the shape of the moon. So it's going to come in and out for the nose. And then I'm going to do a mouth shape. And then it's going to come back out like this. So we've got the sun and the moon. Okay. Now it's time to position the features. So I'm going to start off with the eye. And remember, the eye always comes about halfway down the face. So I'm going to do the oval shape for the eye as we learnt. I'm going to add the eyelid, the eyeball underneath, and the pupil. And remember to add the eyelashes as well. Okay, and maybe put some eyelashes underneath as well. Okay, remember the eyebrow, we want to see all the hairs that you can see in the eyebrow, so I'm going to add that on. And then we'll do the other eye, and so it needs to be positioned on the other side. And remember, because this is the moon side, the eye is going to be closed, so the eyelashes will come underneath to make it look like a closed eye. Okay, and then add the eyebrow, okay, so we've got the 2 eyes. Now for the mouth. So you've got the start of the mouth shape here, so I'm going to just do a triangular shape there, and then on the other side, so the top of the mouth shape and then the bottom as well. Okay, and then add a line in the middle to show the 2 lips. And I'm just going to add a little curve at the corners of the mouth. Okay, so I've drawn the facial features, and now I want to draw the beams of sun around that sun shape. So I'm going to start over at the top. Now they're going to come off the page, but I'm just going to start them off. This time there's space to draw the whole one. So these are the rays of the sun coming away from the... There we are. Right around the sun shape. Use up all of that space. Right down to the corner. Okay. And then for the nighttime side, we're going to add things to do with the night. So I'm going to do stars. Now stars are easy to draw because what you can do is you draw one triangle facing upwards and then another triangle but facing downwards. So they're actually quite easy to draw. They seem tricky, but they're quite easy. So triangle and then another triangle facing downwards, like that. You might want to add a rocket shape to make it look like the night sky. I'm going to put some fire coming out of my rocket. Let's put there we are. And then I'm going to add just a little star at the top, and then just some little lines. Okay, so there we go. That's step 1 completed. I've drawn out the face and the outline ready to paint in step 2.